Hello my dear student, again I am here to teach you grammar. In a last class I have taught you the sentence and subject and predicate, and today we will learn the kinds of sentence. As you can see, there are four kinds of sentence. There are four kinds of sentence. I think you have learned in previous class also, and today we will learn again. Here, as you can see, here it is written that there are four kinds of sentence, and the first one is the declarative sentence. What is the declarative sentence? It is declarative sentence. Just know what is declarative sentence. A sentence can make a statement like the sun rises in the east. In your book, here it is written that the sentence can make a statement. From this sentence, what did you understand? Whenever we talk to anyone, my student, whenever you or we talk to anyone, we use different types of sentences. We use affirmative, we use negative, interrogative, exclamatory, interrogative, exclamatory, different types of sentences. But generally, in a normal conversation we use declarative sentence. And a declarative sentence, there are two types of affirmative and negative. Affirmative, it means in a positive way. Whenever we say anything to anyone in a positive, about a positive thing, that is called affirmative. And negative, whenever we say anything not, no, we use not or no, that is called negative sentence. Just like if I say that I am your English teacher, this is the affirmative sentence. And if I will say your school is not going to open, your school is not going to open in this week, this is called negative sentence. मेरे हिसाब से आप लोग समझ गए होंगे मैं जो बोली अभी कि सेंटेंस जो है वो चार तरह के होते हैं, चार प्रकार के होते हैं. उसमें पहला है डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस. डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस वो होता है जब हम किसी से कुछ बात करते हैं, उसमें जो हम सेंटेंसेस नॉर्मल स्टेटमेंट यूज करते हैं उसको डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस कहते हैं. और डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस का भी दो पार्ट होता है, दो टाइप्स होता है. पहला होता है एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस. एज यू कैन सी हियर, एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस. एफर्मेटिव मीन्स व्हाट? Whenever, जब भी आप किसी से बात करते हैं जिसमें आप नकारात्मक चीज़ों का यूज़ नहीं करते, नकारात्मक बातों का यूज़ नहीं करते हैं, नो और नॉट का यूज़ नहीं करते हैं, वो एफर्मेटिव होता है. जैसे एग्जाम्पल, नीतू इज अ टीचर, इसमें नो और नॉट का यूज़ नहीं किया गया, ये एफर्मेटिव है. एंड नेगेटिव, नेगेटिव का एग्जाम्पल क्या दिया है? नीतू इज नॉट अ टीचर, नीतू एक शिक्षक नहीं है, शिक्षिका नहीं है. दिस not indicate the negative things, and because of not, the sentence called the negative sentence. Understand? And the next part of sentence is interrogative sentence. What is interrogative sentence? Interrogative sentence. And interrogative in simple language, if I will say, the interrogative sentence means whenever we ask a question from to anyone and we use the sentence, that is called the interrogative sentence. Whenever we ask any question to anyone with the help of that sentence, that is called interrogative sentence. Just like, what is your name? Where are you going? Have you done your homework? These are questions that we are asking to anyone, and that is called interrogative sentence. Just like here, some examples are given. Have you done your homework? Why were you late yesterday? These two are the question we are asking to anyone, asking to someone. And that is called interrogative sentence. अगर आप लोगों को हिंदी में समझाएं तो जब हम किसी से बात करते हैं और किसी से कुछ पूछते हैं, क्वेश्चन करते हैं, वो होता है इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस। हम क्वेश्चन कैसे पूछते हैं कि आपका नाम क्या है, आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं, क्या आपने अपना होमवर्क कर लिया, क्या आप कल स्कूल जाएंगे। These are some questions which these are the way of asking questions, and that is called interrogative sentence. The sentence by which we ask anything from anyone, that is called interrogative sentence. And next one is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. If I take an example of your classroom, the imperative sentence are used so much. That's why I'm taking a example of your classroom. Whenever you didn't do your homework and your teacher said, stand up, that's a order, that's a command. And that sentence is called imperative sentence. Whenever we give an order, make a request, give a command or a desire, that is called an imperative sentence. Just like, please give me a glass of water. Please shut the door or shut the door. Do this just now. Complete your homework. Why are you not doing your homework? Complete your homework. So why are you not doing your homework? That is called interrogative sentence. And complete your homework, that is called imperative sentence. Understand? जब कभी हम किसी से, जैसे मान लीजिए आप एग्जाम्पल लीजिए अपने क्लासरूम का, वहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंस का आई थिंक यूज़ होता है। घर में भी यूज़ होता है, घर में भी आपकी मम्मी पापा आपसे इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंस का बहुत सारा यूज़ करते हैं। बोलते एक गिलास पानी ला करके दो। तो एक तरह से होता है, एक रिक्वेस्ट भी होता है। किसी अपने छोटे को बोल रहे हैं तो रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, या फिर बड़े को भी बोलते हैं, बड़े भी कभी अपने छोटे से बोलते हैं तो बोलते हैं ना रिक्वेस्ट में कि एक गिलास पानी, प्लीज एक गिलास पानी ला दीजिए, दैट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट। और कुछ कमांड्स होते हैं, गो टू योर रूम, दैट्स अ कमांड, एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस। समझ में आया? जब किसी को हम कुछ ऑर्डर देते हैं, किसी से कुछ रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं, उसके लिए हम जिस सेंटेंस का यूज करते हैं वो होता है इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस। एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज एक्सक्लामेटरी सेंटेंस। नेक्स्ट वन इज एक्सक्लामेटरी सेंटेंस। Exclamatory sentence. See here. First, see here. Here it is written. A sentence can express here. A sentence can express some strong or a sudden feeling, as whenever we express our feeling through our sentence, and the sentence is called exclamatory sentence. Whenever we express our feeling by the sentences, that is called exclamatory. Just like, how beautiful this rose is. How beautiful this rose is. It means what? कितना सुंदर गुलाब है. It means we are expressing our feeling, strong feeling. Whenever we lost anything, lost everything, that is called exclamatory sentence. A sentence that express some strong or a sudden feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. जिस सेंटेंस के थ्रू हम अपने स्ट्रॉन्ग और सडन फीलिंग समझते हैं? सडन मीन्स व्हाट? तुरंत। जब कोई तुरंत फीलिंग आए, तुरंत फीलिंग कब आएगा? मान लीजिए जब कहीं रास्ते से जा रहे हैं एंड देन यू सी very beautiful girl or a girl wearing a very beautiful dress. Girls are crazy with their dress also. Just like if just think you are a girl and you are going to market with your mother, and you just see a girl wearing a wonderful dress. What will you say? Oh, what you will say? How beautiful this dress is. Wow, this dress is so beautiful. You will say just like, And that is called the exclamatory sentence. Whenever we express our strong or sudden feeling, that is called sudden feeling. That is, and through which sentence we express our feeling, that is called exclamatory sentence. Dear student, I hope you understand the kinds of sentences. If you have any doubt, you can contact me on my WhatsApp, or you can call me also. And here is some work for you, and you have to done by tomorrow. You have to done by tomorrow. Listen it very carefully. You have to done by tomorrow. And here are some works. And first one is identify the sentence here. Identify the sentence. Identify the sentence given below as a declarative, interrogative, imperative, or exclamatory sentences. Here are some sentences. Here are some sentences are given below, and you have to identify. You have to identify which type of sentences it is. Just like it is interrogative or a declarative, imperative or an exclamatory. And I'm going to solve a first one. How can you solve such a difficult sum? How can you solve such a difficult sum? And this is what type of sentence? This is interrogative sentence, because here question are asking. Question is asking, that is called interrogative sentence. Here we have learned the interrogative sentence. I have missed something. I have missed the types of interrogative sentence. The types of interrogative sentence I didn't taught you. I hadn't taught you, sorry. Types of interrogative sentence. WH questions. First one is, there are three types of interrogative sentence. First one is WH questions. Second one is yes or no questions. And third one is question tag. And first of all, listen it carefully. What is WH questions? WH means what? The word W and H, alphabet W and H. The question which is starting from WH, that is called WH question. Just like what are you doing? What is your name? Where are you going? Who are you? How are you? When will you go to your bed? These are some WH questions which is starting from WH. And second one is yes and no questions. What is yes and no questions? Whenever we ask any questions to anyone and the answer is in yes or a no, that is called yes or no question. Just like, have you done your homework? Yes, I have. Yes. Have you done your homework? No. This is called yes or no question. जब हम किसी से कोई क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं और हमारा आंसर में क्या मिलता है, हाँ या ना, उसको कहते हैं yes or no question. एंड तीसरा है क्वेश्चन टैग. क्वेश्चन टैग मीन्स व्हाट? योर नेम इज नीतू, इजंट इट? तुम्हारा नाम नीतू है ना? व्हेन वी आर कंफ्यूज्ड, it is or not, that is called question tag. Okay, these are some types of question interrogative sentence, and now you have to identify this 10 sentence, which sentences these are: declarative, interrogative, imperative, or exclamatory. And second one is, you can see, second one is rewrite each of the following sentences. Rewrite each of the following sentences using the correct punctuation mark. You have to rewrite these sentences using the correct punctuation mark. Just like all the glitters are not gold. You have to rewrite this sentence using punctuation. So first of all, you have to do the first letter is capital, in a capital. A will be in a capital letter. All that glitter is not gold. And it is declarative sentence. And with declarative sentence, we use full stop. We use full stop with a declarative sentence and imperative sentence. We use, listen it very carefully, we use full stop with declarative sentence and imperative sentence. We use full stop with a declarative sentence and imperative sentence. Full stop, you know, full stop. We use question mark with interrogative sentence. Understand? We use question mark with interrogative sentence, and we use exclamation mark with exclamatory sentences. Understand? So first of all, rewrite this sentence using capital letter where it is needed, and then after recognize the sentence which type of it is, it a exclamatory, declarative, interrogative, or a imperative. Then after use the sign also. Okay student, here are some questions also. From 1 to 10 you have to do, and from 1 to 10 here you have to do also. In the next class we will learn interchange of sentences. For today, thank you, take care, bye.